press the up and down button.
Oh, no, no. Yeah.
Now I'm gonna close the door. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing, what is it called, a swoop bun tutorial?
I don't know.
Whatever it's called, but like the swoop and then the high bun tutorial. So I'm gonna do that, and yeah, let's just get into the video because I feel like it's gonna take me a long time. Okay, so my hair, I washed my hair like yesterday or something, or a couple days before that, I think. Yeah, I need a hair tie. So first I'm gonna part my hair, like not half, but like a little bit less than half. What are you talking about?
Oh, in the video?
Yes. I can't see. So now that I have this parted across there and across there, I'm gonna put the that looks so crazy. I'm gonna put this part up so it doesn't get in the way. Okay, and just to make the swoop thing easier and so it can look slick and stuff, I'm gonna wet both pieces and then comb it out. Okay, it's combed out and stuff, so I'm gonna do it right here with this swoop thingy. She's watching me.
Hair looks so pretty.
What do you mean?
Wavy.
Yeah. Okay, I parted it and I'm gonna brush it and then put gel on it so it stays. Okay, so this isn't how it's gonna be because when I do my edges, I'm gonna clean it up a little bit, but I did put gel on it and stuff, and now I'm gonna take it back here and I'm gonna use a hair tie and just put it back like a ponytail. So now I'm gonna do my edges. I think I'm done with my edges now. Why does that look like that? Ugh. Okay, now I'm gonna do this side. My sister just left me, guys. done with that. Shush. Now that part's done, so now I have to put this up in the bun part. And the part that I put back here that attaches to the swoop part, I'm putting that up with my hair. But if your hair isn't long enough to go like all the way up in the bun, you can always just bobby pin it. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm just gonna take this in the middle and just wrap it around like that. Oh, that doesn't look as bad as I thought it was gonna look. I don't think I need to use bobby pins.
Same. That looks like a long nut.
You're so mean.
Covered M&M's.
How?
The way it's shaped. Like, not your bun, the head. Your head.
Yeah, I use my whiteness against me. Okay, so since I put it up and kind of basically done. Oh, it's kind of lopsided right there, so I'm gonna fix that. You can either leave it when you do it, or you can put clips in. I think I'll just put clips in. It doesn't really match, but it's fine. I'm putting them on this side. I don't know. No, I'm not putting them on that side. Because this side has the more edges, so I'm putting it on this side.
Everything is blue.
His pills is
And now I'm
colored in the color. It's blue. Oh, that's why I was like, why did she start singing that song? Okay, so I'm pretty much done. Yeah. The back part's usually pretty messy, but since you guys can't even see the back, I'm not gonna even show it. And plus, people aren't looking at the back of my head, they're looking at my face, and you can see the front. So, yeah. So that's how that side looks. And that side and the top. And then you can either do like an updo, I think that's what it's called, the updo, where you put two hair ties so that it's like a longer bun. Or you just do it like how I did it. That's it. Pretty easy, you know? But it was kind of hard because now my arms hurt. We love that. Yeah, I look like a potato. That's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked it, make sure you give it a like. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And I don't know why you can't hit the notification thing on my channel, but I'll try to figure that out, you know? Yeah, I hope you guys like this video. See you next week maybe, if I don't get tired and not make a video, but that's almost unlikely because I have nothing to do. Bye. Love you guys.